Hi, everybody. Welcome to Lesson 7. Do this week, Honors Orchestra, America Part 4, Advanced Orchestra, America Part 5 and or 6. And these are already uploaded in BandLab, so you can get started on them. Advanced Orchestra students, if you already completed America Part 5, then you will do America Part 6. If you have not completed either one, go into America Part 5 and 6, and you can do the whole thing at once. Also, do any makeup work. Get it in this week. And we have sectionals on Wednesday and Thursday. I'll be hosting the Wednesday Zoom meetings, and Ms. Dart will be hosting the Thursday Zoom meetings. But you can attend either one, and we will each give you credit for whichever one you attend.
And bases, this week you're on Wednesday, so go ahead and check the time, okay? Last week we did run into a problem of students clicking on the wrong day on Thursday. Some students clicked on Wednesday. Please make sure you click on the right link so you can get into the class. Okay, at this point, go ahead and pause the video and go get your sheet music. Once you come back with your sheet music, push play. Welcome back with your sheet music. We have, go ahead and write, there's a few things you need to change on this part. So go ahead and add these little notes in. Here's violin, viola, cello, bass. This is the very last few measures. You're going to want to write in these vocal cues, America, over all of these. First violins and second violins, we're changing this to 2 half notes. Okay, everybody, you can do as many down bows and up bows on the last note as you want. It just has to be really loud. Do as many ups and downs as you want. Second violins. This measure right here, we changed the rhythm and the notes. I'm sorry, we didn't change the rhythm, we changed the notes. The notes were wrong. This is just an F natural, dotted half note, and then a triplet. First violins, you're going to want to write in this cue. You don't play these notes, but you need to be listening for these notes in order to play this on time. They're eighth notes, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and triplet. Okay, so you don't play those, but you need to be listening to them. They're down here in the viola and the horn section. Okay, violas and cellos. Make sure you write in your cue, the horns have 3/8 notes before you guys come in here. It is going to help you a lot. If we were doing this in like live, this would be one of those spots where you just look up at the conductor and it makes a lot of sense, but on your music it's a little harder. Okay, we're going to listen to it a few times so you guys understand how this goes before we do sectionals on Wednesday and Thursday. The recording starts at the beginning, at the pickup to 47. So go ahead and follow along in your music. So if you followed my mouse, if you want to look at this and screen instead, that's fine. Violin 2, so we're going to go ahead and just follow my mouse for that. Everybody else look at your own part and starts to measure in 1 beat beforehand. Violas. everybody, by the way, wait, second violins, I didn't hold this long enough, but count to 3 there. It's so important here to listen to the choir. These aren't just quarter notes. They're really stretched out quarter notes. Really important to listen to the notes here. Really important to listen to the triplets. Again, this is a part that conducting would help a lot. Basses, you're very close to the cellos, so go ahead and follow along. And this will be our last time listening to it. Everyone look at your own part. So you'll notice you guys were hearing the string parts. That was me playing all the string parts right there. So you could actually hear what the strings parts were supposed to sound like. So if you want to keep practicing through with that, you can always replay this video. Otherwise, when you go onto Band Lab, you'll hear just the band and the choir and that one line of strings. But if you want it to sound with full strings, you can always come back to this video and practice with that. That's all we have for you today.
I just want to say one thing. If you are going to do a lot of makeup work, and some of you need to in order to pass, please let Ms. Dart and me know when you've completed it so that we can go in and give you credit, because it's a lot to sift through, especially some of you when it goes back so far. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.